Hi there, I'm Corden from Inside Therapeutics. Today, I'll walk you through how easy it is to prepare RNA-loaded LNPs using Corden Pharma LNP Starter Kit and TAMARA nanoparticle formulation system. So let's start. To prepare the lipid mix in ethanol, dissolve each lipid component in absolute ethanol. Mix thoroughly to obtain a homogeneous phase. And combine the lipids in a single tube based on the selected molar ratios. For the aqueous phase, simply prepare your RNA in an acidic buffer at the required concentration. TAMARA is a plug-and-play microfluidic system that supports all stages of R&D, from early-stage screening to in vivo studies, enabling reproducible nanoparticle formulation workflows. To start, turn on TAMARA and make sure the chip and reservoirs are clean and dry. Set the microfluidic parameters by clicking New Run. In this example, we'll use a total flow rate of 4 milliliters per minute, a flow rate ratio of 3, and target volume of 1 milliliter. Now, pipette the solutions into their respective reservoirs. Always load the aqueous phase first, followed by the organic phase. To avoid bubbles, dispense the liquid gently into the center and bottom of each reservoir. Then, place the gasket and chip, close the lid, insert a collection tube, and start the run. Within minutes, TAMARA will generate uniform RNA LNPs ready for your downstream analysis. And that's it, your LNPs are ready. Don't forget to clean the system before the next run to reuse your chips and reservoirs. And that's how easy it is to produce high-quality RNA LNPs using Corden Pharma LNP Starter Kits and TAMARA.